What's up, YouTube? So, haven't been out in a while. Well, because last time we went out, the 400 went. Benjamin, boom! So, yeah, just want to make a little quick update, see where we're at with everything. We've been waiting for parts for the 400 to come in. Finally came in. Waited a few weeks for those to come in, so we finally got them. Hopefully we get started here soon on the actual work for the 400, because she's still torn apart. We only got one quad, so we haven't been hitting the sand. It's been sad down here lately. So they just came in yesterday, so hopefully now we got everything we need to get the 400 running again, and this time it's actually going to come back as a 440. So we got a big bore kit for it. Got some good plans for the 440 now. So let's see where we're at. So here it is. The big bore kit came with everything you need. Like gaskets, chain, crankshaft bearings, the actual bored out head and everything. We got that in, but so we waited like 3 fucking weeks for this to come in because their machinist was on back order. 3 weeks. Well, look what they sent us. Look what they sent us. See that? Chipped tooth on the crankshaft. So this is actually a return part. Sent us a part that somebody already returned. And it's shipped. So looks like it's gonna be a little bit longer wait. That dude killed his cousin? What's your whip? Watch me, nanny. Alright, well, this is where the fucking 400 sits. Broken as fuck. But she's coming back to life. We got this fucking clean ass engine right here. That shit looks nice and crispy. That's all VTEC powder right there. Barely fucking surviving. But it ended up, what was it? It threw a bearing, right? Yeah. It ended up throwing the whole bearing, and that's what that fucking clunk, clunk, clunk. Yeah, that. So that shit is fucking done. So now this thing's down to the metal. That's where she sits right now. I mean, everything, all the wiring's off. The exhaust. Everything fucking between. The chain, the valves. Even the brake light, dog. This dog's gonna replace with a LED brake light. This dog's the main mechanic behind it. He's the one that has straight down to the fucking the bones, because he's done this before. Stealing a bunch of quads. Stealing them, chopping them up. I mean, look. Even this nigga's pissed. He's like, dog, why the fuck did you blow me? Now I haven't been out there in like over a month.
Getting all dusty and shit.
But so it's gonna be a 440 when we're done with it. It's gonna be 440, and then what do you want to get? New exhaust,
new green,
a new crankshaft,
new bearings.
Did you want to get a new exhaust?
Yeah.
Probably get a new exhaust on it. We saw that new axle, but is it still up? Going for $100?
I don't know, maybe.
Maybe we'll get a new axle. Either way, it's probably gonna get new carrier bearings, probably.
Yeah, I need that.
So the next time it comes back, it's gonna be a 440, maybe a 500. But damn, that fucking sucks. That's like almost like 3 trips in a row where something fucking broke back to back. And BF didn't go on this one. Man's is out there suffering from a fucking addiction. Straight up fucking pole smoking addiction. That's why I didn't pull up. Hell yeah. So if you know a man's that has a pole smoking addiction, get that man's off that Can-Am. Get that man's off that Polaris. Get him on a red. Yamaha's alright. You know, some guys don't mind when the wives go up their booty holes, and we don't judge here. Once that crankshaft comes in, then that'll be all. That'll be set to start going to work, and then probably give it a few heat cycles before it goes and see some sand again. In the meantime, it's just fucking at-home wheelies on this thing. I'll throw on the dirt. Maybe we'll buy another one in the meantime. But that's where we're at with that.